Hi, I'm the Heavy Woodsmith. Welcome to my shop. Today we're going to be talking about the restoration and sharpening of an old handsaw. Stay tuned. They say if you're going to buy one handsaw, buy a rip saw. So we're going to make this a rip saw. Rip saws cut with the grain of the wood. Oh, looks straight. Looks like a good saw. Once you get to a point where you feel like you've sanded it enough, just give it a wet water wipe, and that helps raise the grain and get the dust out. This next part's fun. All these little brass things here, they come apart. Don't forget your eye protection. Just a brass wheel. Just applying a bit of walnut stain. Remember to go in circular motions. Once dry, you can apply a finish. The aluminum foil won't scratch the steel, but it'll take off a lot of the rust. That's deep there. Filing the top levels all the teeth. This saw is 8 teeth per inch. first inch of teeth can be filed straight. The teeth after the first inch should have about an 8-degree angle. After filing all your teeth, turn the blade around. Notice here I do only every second tooth. It's hard to notice on camera, but the teeth have a slight lean left and right. That's a lot crisper. Thanks for watching.